Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you have like Airtags and things like that everywhere and you wanting to always find your items, this thing here is good for you. This one here is a set of 4, and you get Airtag compatible devices. Here you have 4 of them, and then you get the 4 keychains. I'm just gonna grab one out of these, and one of these, I guess a white one. I'll do a black one because the Airtags are white, so that's kind of cool. You gotta get one here. So this is it here. Let's open this up. And they come with replaceable batteries, which is nice. Ooh, it's just trying to get the plastic off of it. Okay, so here we go. Plastic is off. And it looks kind of like an AirTag. If you look at an AirTag, a real one here, and then another one here, they look really similar, very similar in size, maybe slightly smaller or something. But let's go ahead and give this thing a try. Do I have to turn it on, or let's see what I do to make it go. I don't know if I have to put the battery in it. It comes with some batteries. I don't know if these are extras or if it just came with it. Let's see. Power on. Press the power on button for 3 seconds to turn it on. Okay, I guess it has the power on button. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there we go. Now it sounds like an AirTag. Okay, so now if I want to add an item and add an AirTag, I guess, put the AirTag on and bring it near this phone to start. I guess that's how I do it. Let's see what it says. Wants to find my probe, hit the plus and add other item. Oh, okay, I have to add another item. Add item, other supported item, searching for items. And there, it found a 1 tag. So there it is, and I will say connect. And I will give it the name of Luggage, because this one will be connected to my luggage. And then I can choose an emoji. I'll just say a little sad face. This item is linked to your account. I guess I can't show you that because it's got my email and everything, but there we go. So now I have luggage is traveling with me. Boy, I can't really show you it, but if I cover up this, I can kind of show you. It just says it's with me. So there, you can see luggage is with me at home now. And then I can go ahead and click on it, and I can do a play sound. So if it gets lost, I can always find it. I can say directions, and it will give me directions to it. So it really does all the same things as the AirTag kind of does. So really cool. And nice little device. Oop, I got out of it because it went into the maps. Allow using device. Okay, and there I can have it notify me when it's left behind. It's just got all the different information about it. So really cool. Nice to have a little AirTag compatible device. And I don't know if pushing the button is going to do anything anymore. No, I guess it just turned itself on to get it going, and then now it's going. So it's good. And they come with these keychains as well, so I can stick it into this little keychain area here. Well, you know how a silicone keychain works. I'm doing it here with this light in my eyes. But we'll get it in here in a second. The hardest part is putting on the keychain. We're in good shape. Boy, it's a rubbery, but it's there. Okay, there, it's in. So there, got it in there. So there, so now I can just clip it on with a little carabiner thing onto my luggage. Actually, I'll stick it in my luggage, but I'll carabiner it onto something on the inside, onto one of the zippers on the inside, so I can always find it. How cool is that? Really nice little setup, and you get 4 of them in various colors here. So you get 2 other white ones here, and then another black one, and these little keychains for it. Thumbs up, very cool.